Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am thinking what I'm doing. My friends like this. So good morning everyone. So my two friends have got a channel, so does mine. Mine's called Archie's All Sorts Channel Parry, and there's other two. It's called Louisfnafgaming22 and Alex Unboxing. So would you rather easy do it? Would you rather easy do it? Oh yeah. But we're so sorry, guys. But there's two Funko Pops that I had. It's called Pikachu and SpongeBob. Not really sure. So thank you for watching. Bye.